Channel tags. Are they similar to video tags or are they different? Let's take a look. Well, first off, make sure you are logged into your account. In the upper right hand circle, you can click that. We need to go to the back end. I'm going to go to the Creator Studio. So I click my icon and it lets me go to the Creator Studio. Once I'm in the Creator Studio, which is also the dashboard area of the Creator Studio, you will see some options on the left hand side. You might not see these. These are add-ons, but you should see Video Manager, Live Streaming, Community, Channel Analytics, and more. We want to go to Channel. So in the left-hand menu, click Channel, and then it'll bring up your status and features. That's cool and all, but we want something more on the status and features page, and that is also on the left-hand side, and that's under Channel again. We need to go to the Channel Advanced options right here. So we're going to go to Channel Advanced, and then we will see our advanced account information. And you will see here that it's asking for a country and it's asking for channel keywords. And this is an older way to do it. I'm going to change it up now. The right way, or the way they want you to do it now, is they want you to do it with commas. So if you do a phrase, separate with a comma and a space, and then put it in. And I suggest anywhere from 6 to 12 main keywords, phrases, individual words or phrases that is related to the content on your channel, and you can always come back in and add more, take them out. But what you want to do is you want to have phrases or individual words separated by a comma, and then of course a space, and then another phrase or a word. If you have any questions about tags or anything like that, let me know. Thanks.